digital marketing, performance marketing, influence marketing, there is marketing attached to it. Marketing always comes first, you know. So, like, what are some of the fundamentals that a freelancer or agency, like small agency, like they start with their friends and all those things, they need to understand about marketing?
Yeah.
That please understand these fundamentals and learn these fundamentals. If you have not understood it really well, then please learn these fundamentals of marketing, so you can drive better results for your clients and you can have a good business of yours as well.
Absolutely. That's, I think, a fantastic question. I never got to talk about this actually, the traditional, the basic marketing that everybody needs to know, right? See, marketing in a nutshell is what? First is you need to understand, right? Many people think that marketing is selling, marketing is running ads, right? No, no. Marketing is communicating a set of values about the product or service to a set of people who can potentially buy your product, right? Marketing is not just any awareness that you make it. For example, let's say if you're sponsoring Virat Kohli's jersey, right, and entire country will be watching that. Not everybody is the target audience, right? So that's not every form of awareness is good as well. Now, going back to basics of marketing, the first is to understand, okay, what are the values? I said communicating a set of values about my product, right? What difference is my product making in my customer's life, right? And how is my product different from anybody else in the market? Why is my product priced at a certain way? Why is my product only available at a few places, right? These are like basic foundations of marketing, that why and what and how of your product, right? When does then comes the consumer psychology, right? Why should a customer care buying from you? Why should a customer try you in first place? When does the customer think about you? When does the customer think about the competition, right? When does the customer feel like transacting with you? There are so many things that goes into it. For anybody who's just getting started with marketing, I would recommend you to read this book called This is Marketing by Sid Godin. That's enough, right? I mean, you could, of course, read Philip Kotler as well, but that's a super long read.
Yeah.
You will not actually walk away with a lot of examples. It's a lot of theory. I would rather have you read Seth Godin, This is Marketing, where you will understand, okay, what is the value proposition? What is a unique selling proposition? How do I deeply understand my consumers? How do I do closed user group studies, right? How do I price my product? How do I ensure my product is available at different places? What are the different channels that I can use? What is branding? What is logo? What is the font? What is the color, right? All of these things are foundations of marketing, right? Before
Mhm.
you even pick up, let's say, Facebook ads, before you even pick up
Yeah.
Google ads and start going with it immediately, this is the fundamental problem with a lot of young marketers that I interact with. They immediately jump to channel. Channel comes way later. See, channel is one of the way to take your message to the set of people, right? So how do you define that set of people? How do you define that set of messages? It's a large part of marketing, right?
Right.
As simple as a Facebook ad, right? Today you will just put your product benefits and run an ad. Many people often come and tell me that Deepan, I spent 15,000 rupees, sales have not happened, right? Then I go check their ad. It's a shit ad, right? Product benefits. Whoever you promoted to, do they have need for your product? Did you even try and create that need? Did you create urgency for why should they consider buying from you? Are you even presenting the product in a nice format? It is desirable for the customer who's looking at it. You have not done any of that. You just accelerated the Facebook ad and then you spend 10,000 and you're expecting sales to happen. It won't. This is where, if you actually bring in the basics of marketing, values, how do I break open that values into different creative formats? How do I talk about my USP in a better way? How do I design an offer for a specific segment of buyers? Then start your channels. It will have results. Right?
Right. Right. True. This is true.